deal with about forex and binary trading, basics about forex and binary trading. So hope everyone will like it. Hope everyone know is helpful to everyone. Okay, so let's go. What is a forex? Forex is English word that means foreign exchange. So once we say is forex trading, that will mean we are doing foreign exchange in terms of buying and selling. So once we say that we are doing online forex trading, it means we are doing forex, we are doing foreign exchange with in terms of buy and sell, and this process is done online. So hope everyone is catching me well. So once we are doing this processing, so let me keep explaining this deeply. So, like for example, if you move from your country to another country, you will need to change your friends, your currency into another currency of that country. For example, if you move from Britain to US, you will need to change your pound into USD. And once you need to change your pound into USD, you will need to sell your pound, then you receive a USD. That means that that means you can't buy USD by using USD itself. Hope everyone is getting me. That means you can't sell pound into pound itself. To due to this process, in order to happen, you must have two currency. That two currency we call it a pair. So hope everyone is getting me. Once we say we are going to exchange GP pounds or Great Britain pound into USD, that pair it called GBP USD or Britain pound USD. That pair of two currency of Britain pound and United States dollar. That's one pair or currency pair. In Forex, we exchange currency into another with the purpose of profiting. Once we are trading, once we are normal trading, we exchange one currency into another in terms of getting profit. That's it. We are to call currency pair. So if you have currency pair, first currency is called base currency. First currency is called base currency. Then the second currency is called core currency. Hope everyone is getting me. Let me share my screen to you so that everyone will be able to see it. Let me share my screen to you. I want to show you how our I want to show you how our pair look like in the market so that everyone will be able to understand what is base currency and what is a core currency. Let me share to you, please. So if everyone can be able to see my screen, please raise your hand. Are you able to see my screen? Raise hand so that I will know if you are able to see my screen. Okay, very well. You are seeing my screen. Okay, good. This pair parameter is this pair parameter is pound USD. This is pound USD. Press me click here. If I see pound USD here, this first currency is base currency. Then the second is core currency. Once I sell this pound USD, what I will receive is the amount of is the value of pound in USD in United States dollars. That's why I'm saying this USD is quoting pound. This is pound is base of this pair of pound USD. Let's continue our class now. Okay, good. So we are finishing with the currency pair, and then we are going to talk about what is traded in forex. What's traded in forex? So once you are going into forex market, what are you going to trade? What are you going to trade? In forex trading, we trade currencies. We trade currencies. So there are most traded currency in the world. The first first most traded currency is called USD, United States dollar. Why is United States dollar most traded currency in the world? The first one, American United States of America economy is the best or is the best economy in the world. That's why USD is best or most traded currency. Second most traded currency is Euro or Yellow. So it's a currency from Europe. So the third most traded currency is called GPY or Japanese yen. Then fourth most traded currency is called Great Britain pound, Great Britain pound, or GBP or pounds, depend to your pronunciation. So once we are in forex marketing, once we are trading, we buy once we are targeting that a base currency is will appreciate value. If if we see if we see a pound or if you see base currency will appreciate value or will be will get value according to court currency, we buy that pair. If we have currency pair GBP USD, and we see it will appreciate value, it will increase in value, we quick buy. Once we buy and this pound keep appreciate value, we will get profit. Hope everyone can understand. So then once we are targeting, we are getting pound USD will appreciate value, we sell this pair. If we are seeing a pound GBP or British pound is losing its value, we sell. Okay, hope everyone understand me very well. We sell that pair. Once we sell and keep going down, keep losing value, we get we go in profit. The beauty of forex trading is that you can get a profit if market is going up or even if market is going down, we get a profit. So Hope everyone is understanding. Even if market is going down or going up, you can get a profit according to your position. If you are in selling position, you can get profit if market is going down. If you are buying position, you get profit if market is going up. Rates go. If we have one pair, one currency pair, let me show something. Let me show something. If market is going up, we will say we are in bullish movement. Let me share you my screen again. Let me show you my screen again. Okay, good. Hope everyone can see me. If this is our this is here we are in a market. Here we are in a market. Okay. So if this is how market is going, this is up, up, down, 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 up. If we hope this market will going up, we click buy. Then once it's going up, we get a profit. Once it's going down, we get a loss. Okay. So then this movement, this movement of going up of the market, it is called bullish movement or uptrend. If it's going down, we call it down trend or bearish movement. This is how the market go. So then let's me talk about buy price and ask price. Buy price is the price broker will give to you once you sell. Once you click sell is the price broker will give you at. That's called buy price. If then the ask price is the price broker will give you at if you click buy. Let me back with the meaning of broker. What is a broker? Broker is the one who is between you and the market. You can't go direct to the market if you are not, if you are not, if you are not a broker. Okay. If you want to go direct to the market, you must have minimum of 25 USD US dollar. Okay, minimum 25,000 US dollar. That's qualification to go into the market direct to passing through broker. So mostly to in order to get the importance of broker in the market, broker can provide chart for you, broker can make easy payment method, broker can guide a trend for you. For example, if you click buy and you set stop loss, you set take profit, broker will provide or will guide your order. Hope everyone can understand the beauty of broker. In order to join a broker, you have to choose a best broker according to your favor. Then you register and you fill requirement to trade on that broker you choose. Then you make deposit. Broker will give you a password, login ID and password, and you go in the market, you trade. Okay, let's go. What what make us to buy or sell? What make us make us to take a decision of buy or sell? So hope everyone can see chat after 2 minutes we start and we get new link. Hope everyone will be ready in Telegram group to join as soon as possible so that we can keep or so that we can continue our meeting course. That meeting will stop by 2 minutes because of terms and conditions of that Zoom meeting. Okay, so what make us to take the decision of buy or sell any currency pair in the market? what make us to take that decision. That's called market analysis. We have two types of market analysis. First one is fundamental analysis. What's a fundamental? What market fundamental analysis? What is that? One every forex take place in country. Every forex take place in a country. So once there is any event in that country where that forex take place, exactly there is any consequence, either bad or good, to that currency. For example, if if today we get information that tomorrow by 10 o'clock the US economy will go down at 0 point something percent. That means that means the United States dollar will go down, will lose value. Once we say it will lose value, we see where it is quoted currency, then we click buy. We see where it is based, we click sell, okay? Then I mean we click buy, okay? Once we see where it is based currency, we click sell, cause it is low.